Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username of your EA account. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your web browser and type in ea.com and hit enter. The official EA web page should load up. From here, just head over to the top right section of the page where you can find your profile. Just click on your profile and click on account settings. Now inside account setting, click on the edit button which is beside basic information. The username of EA account is represented by just ID. So below your ID is your current username. Now in order to change your username, just click on the text box, delete your old username and type in your new username. After you type in your new username, just click on save. And as you can see, my username has been changed right here. So that's how you change your username of your EA account. If you have any confusion, feel free to leave your queries down in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.